afternoon. Today we talk about our topic for the COCO class. My name is Jesus Gabriel,
And my name is Emilio.
and today we talk about the camouflage and the relation with the career. Well, what is the camouflage? It's a mixture of patterns, colors, and other morphological adaptation that allow the animals to remain undetected. All types of animals have it, including mammals, birds, reptiles, fish, and insects. The animal examples. We have the sepia. This animal changed their pigmentation for mating, and a chameleon. These animals signal their temperament by changing their tone. Um, we have two, the Australian feather crabs. These animals can darken their blue coloration in about 20 minutes when covering or stressed. And the reef octopus. This animal can rapidly change from white to red. The mechanism of color change. The mechanism for related to color change is the abundance of chromatophore cells that containing pigments. They include cells that give different coloration, melanophores, black or brown, erythrophores, and xanthophores, red and yellow, and leucophores and irisophores, white and blue. The morphological mechanism. Insects have formology which allow them to hide from the predators. As the most diverse animal group, they have evolved such strategies through various pathways, including utilizing specialized morphologies. For example, Phyllotridaculum wangi has a morphological resemblance to leafy liverwoods and spike moss, and another types for camouflage. The background, the this animal is indistinguishable from the background. For example, the Viston betularia is a type of butterfly. The form is another type. The animal takes the form of an object that confuses its observer. Example is an insect, the Calima inachus.
Following, we have the evolution of the camouflage. We have that the predators confuse their prey with inedible objects. This causes the camouflage to evolve thanks to the predator cognitive processes. And this confusion requires that the predator also evolve to be able to detect and differentiate food from objects. So we have the camouflage in society. The concept of camouflage has influenced the society in a different ways. For example, it is said that companies camouflage their negative aspects to avoid being discovered, like the ghost companies. There are even camouflage strategies that can be used by companies or industries for any other purpose. The relationship with colors is the importance of the story of camouflage in animals is really related to the story of the genome and the evolution of the pigmentation. The implications for future science is that the camouflage stories lead to the development of bionic adaptive camouflage, although it is used for war purpose. They have the dynamic camouflage ability of cephalopods both in the visible and infrared spectrum. And finally, the conclusion is that there are many ways in which camouflage can be used in science and other industries. It can be a great opportunity for research since we still need to know more about the subject. And this is all for our part. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.